Hello everyone. Today I am going to begin with fluvial models. So this is the first video tutorial that I am making. Previously we have started off with the fluvial models and I have completed the braided river systems. So before we begin with the next part, today I am going to repeat the same part, that is braided river system, because all these systems are related to each other and we understand better when we compare them with each other. So if you remember, we have seen this list or classification of fluvial systems, where these systems are divided into 4 classes, that is fine grained fluvial system, coarse grained fluvial system, braided fluvial system, delta distributary channels, and confined valley field deposits, which is not shown in this particular slide. Okay, so begin with, we have seen this graph. From left hand side, if you see, there are various graphs shown which include time against discharge rate. Rate of discharge is plotted against time, and when the river is in its initial stages, when it is in the younger stages, close to the alluvial fan, when it is associated with the alluvial fans, mostly in case of braided river systems, if you see carefully, the rate of discharge is high but the time is short. So during a short period of time, large amount of sediments are deposited. So this is seasonal or ephemeral discharge. Large amount of sediments being transported and deposited in a short duration of time. With the age of river, if you see, the braided river system becomes coarse grained meandering river system, and then finally it becomes fine grained meandering river system. And here if you see the graph of time against rate of discharge, it is constant. So the same thing is important to understand when we see these different types of fluvial systems. So one of the factors which controls the type of fluvial system that is going to exist is the rate of discharge. Apart from rate of discharge, the other parameters are gradient and grain size. So these 3 important factors decide whether the river is going to be a braided river or a meandering river. Now see this graph, here you can see complete spectrum of fluvial system, starting with alluvial fan on the top, then it becomes a braided river, coarse grained meandering river system, then fine grained meandering river system, and finally delta distributary channels. And the same thing is shown here in the form of different parameters. If you see, the parameters are varying from left to right, and the spectrum shown here is starting with braided rivers, then comes coarse grained meandering belt system, fine grained meandering belt system, and delta distributary channels on extreme right hand side. So you can compare these different parameters. The gradient is initially high in case of braided river systems, and it is least when you see delta distributary channels or fine grained meandering belt system. The second discharge characteristic is grain size, which is highest or coarse in case of braided river systems, and the grain size is fine in case of fine grained meandering river systems. The next parameter is rate of discharge. You can see here it is flashy or discontinuous or seasonal in case of braided river systems, and it becomes continuous when we go toward the right hand side, that is towards fine grained meandering river system and delta distributary channels. Apart from the 3 important discharge characteristics, there are few more parameters that we need to see, that is the ratio of bed load to suspended load, which is high in case of braided river systems and it is lower when we move towards the right hand side. So when we say that the ratio of bed load to suspended load is high, it means that more amount of sediments are being transported under bed load than in suspension load, and the reason is that the sediments are coarse grained when we are close to the origin of the river, and therefore the sediments can only be transported in large amount by bed load and not by suspended load. But as we move towards the lower part of the river, that is towards the meandering